Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Damascus to find out on this beautiful Cape Cod style home. I'm pretty sure it's a flip looking through the pictures before I came here, but they're asking $580,000. They're saying it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2,000 square feet. I'm questionable on that 5-bedroom, but we'll find out more when we go in. They have been on the market for 106 days, and they had a price drop about 2 months ago of $10,000 already. So let's go take a look around and see what we can find out. Is it worth it? 1-car garage. There's a little stem sticking out. Next to the house in the garage is the oil fill. The roof looks to be in really great shape. Nice little front porch. Yard is very lopsided and uneven, but all right, so there's a vent for something there. Probably the furnace, but we'll check. And they definitely dug this out. You can see fresh concrete. So definitely a legal bedroom in the basement now. I bet this was a pool. And the reason I say that is because of this drain right here. That is a pool filter. Used to have one when I was a kid. And a beautiful deck off the back here. Nice brick home. Roof looks to be new or newer. We got a walkout basement. Good space down there. What do we got back here? I guess this is the back entrance to the garage. And a little shed there that just some cheap plywood and some 2x4s. And the garage. All right, so you can't actually access the house from the garage, but they do have the oil tank in there. That's kind of nice, actually. Let's go take a look inside. You don't have any neighbors over there, which is nice. There's only a few houses on this street. First thing I notice when I walk in is the smell. It's not a bad thing, but it does tell me that the floors have been refinished. I can already tell that there is hot water oil baseboard. One, we already saw the oil in the oil tank, and I'm looking at these baseboards. It's oil. We'll head upstairs in a minute. But a great family room, living room, new windows. They kind of look a little faded, so newer windows we'll go with. Kitchen is definitely new. Tiny, but new. And then walk out to the back. Ooh. There's a lot of daylight coming between that door. Now, you probably need to redo, put a new door in there. But that's just my 2 cents. Down the hall. Full bath. Great space. And I think they did a great job on the renovations. Bedroom 1. Good size for the age. Bedroom 2. Bigger than the other one, but still not huge. Let's go check out upstairs. All right, which way are we going? Left, right? Let's start to the right. We got built-in drawers into the wall. I love that. Vaulted ceilings. I don't have a light turned on in here. Oh, I love the way old floors just kind of pop and crack. Good space. So this would be bedroom 3. What the heck? I guess they're calling this a bedroom, but that can't be correct. Bathroom up here. Wow, that's really pretty. Good tile selections, good coloring, seemingly good install. And bedroom number 4. Ooh, what the? Definitely not new windows. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Those are all ladybugs. Oof. So you clearly got a little hole in the house there. They do have some more built-ins there. Good space up here. Let's check out that basement. Is the basement creepy? Let's go find out. Doesn't look creepy. Oh, this is pretty. Got space here with a wood burning stove. That thing will heat this whole house. Got your pressure tank for your well. Sediment filters, lots of sediment filters. It might actually be a reverse osmosis system, I'm not sure. What else do we got? Ooh, pretty bathroom. And full bath. Yeah, they really know how to do tile work, I will give them that. And another bedroom here. All right, so now it is 5 bedrooms. They weren't trying to call that little office nook an actual bedroom. So we do have a true 5 bedroom. And another rec room space here. There is our walkout and our sump pumps. Looks to be right there. Laundry, water heater from 21, I believe. Yep, 821. And then we have an oil burning furnace, which I had a really hard time finding the age on these things, but they last forever as long as you keep them up. Oh, there we go. You see that date? 2014. Where we saw that busted exhaust pipe was definitely for this furnace there. Looks like they got a lot of JB Weld on that thing, trying to hold it together. But here's all the manifolds to all of your heating units. What did you think of Overlook? For $580,000, a true 5-bedroom house on not a through street. It's not really a cul-de-sac, but the road just kind of stops. It's kind of old school Damascus. This house was built in '57. They did a great job on the renovations. I don't know, what are your thoughts? For $580,000, is Overlook worth it? As I'm getting ready to leave, I noticed one more thing and I had to show you. Paint your door trim. That entire trim line is not touched. Seriously. All this work, all this phenomenal tile work, and you can't even slap a little bit of paint on the door frame.